Alright guys, we got the Miata lineup. The wide bodies. And I do believe these two are either brothers or friends. This car's sick right here. Sorry. Then he was at a meet by my house. And we got my car somehow made it out here. And then we got a Saturn on, I do believe these are called Inky reverse blades or Inky blades, which is like a huge, it's a huge 90s thing. You don't see these every day, so the fact that somebody's enjoying this car. It's got a front lip that was a huge 2000s part. I forgot the company. It starts with an X. And then there's this thing, a Fleetwood Hoopty sleeper. The VS Racing turbo on there. It's like liquid exchange cooling. Oh, dude, what? It's like a little trans cooler or oil cooler? That's crazy. That looks like it'd be on a computer. It's wild, man. Then we got MR2, who's been in a lot of my videos. He came out to Initial D meet, and this is what's up. I think I pointed out before, the Y Sport wheels. And he did a lot of extra, just little stuff, a lot of carbon fiber accents that he's collected. The wing, I do believe in here too, but when it comes down to a really nice car and then the wheels making the car, I mean, he did that and the lip, you know, been working on this thing for years and it's come along good. In fact, it's just the car in first JDM Detroit meet at the park where I took the 8.6 to, so. Yeah. Then we got this swap right here by this man. Like there's one guy. All right, I'm gonna try to move in close to the music, but like I said, I'm gonna do a B-roll for all the stuff that I can't shoot up close. It's got the Volt TEs also. Oh, look at this. And then let's get in the R34. And then the Lancer or Evo. Ooh, fresh fit. This wing is sick. Oh yeah. Yep, Evo X. Oh, let's give the shout outs here. The interior is sick. This thing is awesome. Exclusive bits. He's on a drag pack, and he's got a bottle. That's what's up. Then, dude, check out the brakes on this wheel. Yeah, that's sick. All right, here's the music. I gotta disappear. All right, we got some Corvettes. A Pro-charged C6. Another beautiful C6 next to it. This is definitely the car of Michigan. American cars, most American sports cars, the Corvette, I think. What do you think in the comments? Let me know. Type R. And this right here. Subaru rally car with another Subaru rally car. I love these hatchbacks. Subarus are just so unreliable. I'd probably get one of these. Who knows? Maybe I will. Never had one, so why not try it, right? Oh, look what we got here. Check this out. Ecotech swapped Miata. What's up? How you doing? This is used for track days. It's an M edition. Check out the shift now. Then S2K. The homies hanging out. Honda Civic EK all day. I love the carbon fiber hood. Hey, what's up? Integra Turbo Type R. That's Eric. So Eric's the original builder of the RX-7, and then I went and tweaked on it for a while and enjoyed it. He enjoyed it. We swapped that car back and forth quite a bit, but now it's on its own quest. It's a shell somewhere and we don't know where it went. So I could catch up and find out. Anime livery. GTST. Sun's working against me. Four-door. Oh, check this out. EG, or no, EF. Sorry, it's been a long day. I'm already hot. This is the love seat EF. This is like their little display car. It's got the Advent Racing Oni 2s. Those are really rare. Oh, they love the mismatch lights. Yeah. Not enough people do EF Civics. They do a lot of stickers and stuff like that, so they got, this car's got character. A Volvo. Clean Civic. $240SX. It's a good turnout already, and I was only 20 minutes late. Mazda. Alright, let's go. Oh, look at that. We got some muscle cars. MR2. Fox body. It's a really cool intake.
I didn't notice that the first time looking at it.
That turbo VTR intake, EFI, another VS Racing. Everyone's got a VS Racing. It's affordable turbo though.
I like how the ponies try to park next
Check this out. Woo! Look at this color. Dude, this is sick. I always hate that cameras can never really pick up flake. The pumps in the back here. Little battery collection and run all that. It's wild. She's up there. All right, let's cut around here. There's a bunch of other cars. You got BMW, IS. Nothing too standouty. What's up? Not much. Eurotic. What's up?
Hello.
Hey.
Good to see you.
So this is your car meet.
Yes, I'm Maggie. I own AutoThreadX. This is my car show. Hopefully, we had a good turnout so far. Hopefully, we're gonna do this year every year.
Yeah, good work,
Yeah.
man. This is awesome.
Bye.
Bye. The Lotus.
I love it.
Brakes. Woo. This is why I need to swap to the Miata for this. And it's a manual. Look at this too. I like the gauges. The gauges are sick. That's probably factory. And this is the hatchbacks. These are really rare. They're becoming rare. If you're a BMW person and you love these, you should snag up a hatchie real quick. What's up? How you doing, man?
I'll be back. I'll be back.
Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, look at all your shit.
Say nobbies.
Nobbies. All right, let's see. Let's make our way. Oh, no! Oh, look at this. This is Love Seat US. Oh, we got a power generator over here, but bear with me. Sorry, guys. This car is sick. All right. What's up? Then this is sick. Check this out. So this is sort of like the classic spoon style. You take the car, they're yellow spoon. I always like, this is like a classic 90s style car. Or I guess early 2000s now. I don't know if these are spoons or if they're rotas, but either way, they're great wheels, even if they're rotas. A lot of these are used for, what, Sunday Cup racing, things like that. So you got a racing seat in here. It has a little monster holder, so a lot of fluid staying hydrated. And then I like this little touch. A Hyper Rev magazine. This car on there, that's sick. All right, I'm starting to wake up. I stayed out super late last night street racing. I didn't get any video, but the HHR was flapping cheeks. Just kidding, it really wasn't. G8. These are starting to get popular. Little Odyssey Civics. Little white Volcrays. Little shift knob. Wheels make a car. All right, I'm gonna head over here. Oh, we gotta check out this E30. Tucking. Love it when they tuck.
I do see the gold.
I love these pipes. I would have flamethrowers on these. I don't care. Dude, last night somebody was shooting flamethrowers at the racing spot. It was crazy. I love how much this sits, how heavy this sits in the rear. Like, I know we're revisiting the Miatas, but oh, by the way, I don't know if I showed in the videos, put harnesses in. I still kept my seatbelt, so on a daily drive and stuff, but for autocross I got harnesses in there.
I think it was my second day of work.
Nice TSX.
Yeah, he texts me like.
And then here's Eric's Integra. He loves Hondas. He loves Hondas, I think, even more so than I have. And we've been in this game for a long time. And he has done great building these cars. He built this. Pretty sure this is a Type R motor in here now. And he added turbo. He's been working on this for a while. But this shell is really clean. He acquired this shell. And he's nothing to take care of it. I think that's still original paint. All right, between transition of songs, I gotta go here and cut this real quick. Sick Supra. Hopefully I don't get copyright struck. Oh, here we go. Dude, check this Evo out. This Evo's sick. Might be able to pull this in one shot, fellas. All right. That's my homie's ride right there. Got a little CRX. Just jamming out. He's just kicking it, feeling the vibe. And then we got cars over here. We got cars over there. Some cars over there too. I'll try to get them. Ooh. Those rays, bro. It's a nice ride right there. Little VIP spice. My arch enemy, the Ford Focus SC, because they go bang, bang, pop, pop. They haven't been doing my videos, so I appreciate you guys. I actually love these cars. Look at this hood. These are cars that people are really gonna like look back on and be like, yeah, I should have experienced that. But this, that's what's up. It's RX-7. Let's get it from the sun on my back angle. This lineup is dope, guys. A little bit of everything. Go. And we got this VIP. Oh, man, what's up? What's up? Too much going on. It's like multi-videoing. There's another crazy paint job. I'll see if it shows on camera. It usually doesn't though. This is glitter. This is what you need now.
This is a clean setup.
This is really clean. It's tubbed in the front for drifting.
It looks like a Christmas tree.
And it is
ball.
drifted. Headers, LS swapped. Right hand drive. Got the fun stick. Check out this tent. The music's holding out pretty good, so I think I'm gonna be able to pull this off, guys. We'll find out when I release this. All right, we're cutting over here now. All right, this Shift Society, they're doing car meets too. And they, this is their vibe, bro. Look how low this is. That's crazy. Pop up in here. Got some AutoThreadX interior action going on here. Sick. Here's the Ship Society booth. What's up, man? How you doing, bro?
How about yourself, man?
Yeah, good, good. Made it out a little late. What's up, man? How you gonna leave me hanging, bro? How you gonna leave me hanging?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I know you're good.
You okay?
Yeah.
Say woo.
Yeah.
You edit that out.
Ah, it's okay. You were like in the zone. You're just like, I'm dying. It's hot. It is like 84, probably 85 now. So those two are two of the figureheads, along with Tito. Or no, I mean they're the figureheads at Shift Society. And this is like this is how they roll, man. So this is a sick S14. My narration sucks when I'm overheating, I won't lie. So, yeah.
Tyler, you got a razor by chance or not?
We're not editing this. It's gonna be all one shot too, so you get to see me stumble on all my words. Look at these seats, man. They're freaking wild. Oh, 326. So a 326 seat, a 326 steering wheel. Dude, that's cool. Look at that stitching. Gatlinburg. So traveling in this ride, bro. That's what's up. Oh, classic. I used to have those laying around in my garage, and now they're going for like $200-300. It makes me so mad. I'd be like, oh, I don't like this. I'm gonna swap it out for something different.
Yeah, the OEM, no, there's nothing better than OEM. It really isn't.
Nice seats. All these cars got like the VIP treatment interior work. There's that 10 again. I hope this video motivates some of my local friends. Let's get down with it. What's up, man? How you doing?
How you doing, bro?
Good. I feel like this is the era of like looks again. Bringing back looks in your car. It's Ghost US. What's up?
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I just walked around. I feel like I exercised. So that's hot.
It is.
Are you having a good one today? You getting some sales in? Wait, got with trinkets and whatnot. Oh wait, we gotta show the frog one. This is the best. The lizard. Sorry, see? Look at it. You know. You just made that too. That's crazy. Alright, I'll see you.
Alright, bye.
This just sucks about doing single cuts. Just messing up left and right. That's a frog. No, it's a lizard. Now we got some good lighting on the roof here. This is who threw your event. Oh yeah, this is sick. You look right here and right here. And I showed that in JDM Detroit meet, but Casey didn't know. And it's been coming along. She keeps adding stuff every little time. It's on some SVT wheels this time. I still like the bronze 3 spoke, but going for that show style today. There you go. Then JDM Detroit. I'm gonna get coffee, Strug. What's up? Yeah, I'm roasted.
The tent keeps trying to take flight.
No, we got the weights.
I did not.
That's crazy. Alright guys, we're just gonna end the video right here because it's hot and maybe I'll B-roll edit it. Peace.